Hello, this is W3OY Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be picking this old Sargent padlock here. I think I'm going to retire it after this pick because I believe this brass is a little soft and I worry about damaging it. So we're going to pick it real quick once, and then we're going to set her aside in the collection. So I'm going to pick it with the 1.3 millimeter bar from Moki and his flat hook number 3. So this is the flat hook 3X, I believe. So okay, click on 5 and 4, extremely minimal lift, but it is what it is with these old padlocks. Nope, not ready yet. There we go, and we got the open. Anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.